This video is going to be really useful for all the girls out there who struggle finding the space for their things that they own. The first episode, I'm going to do the 3 or the 4 important storage options instantly that will give you a lot of space and also makes your room really cute. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aditi here. So today's video is going to be the cute and affordable storage options that are extremely useful for every girl's room. For the first time in my life, I'm actually making up my room. In the sense, I'm decorating it with things and making it a space where it just feels my vibe and I feel really good to be inside. Cute, quirky, useful and affordable. These are the 4 criteria that I always look in for because that actually matches my personality. So in this episode, I'm going to show you 4 amazing storage options that will be perfect for storing your stationery, your shoes, your makeup. So many storage options from Amazon. So without further ado, let's get started.
Here is my first amazing storage option from Amazon. So this is a beautiful colorful storage box that is really sturdy, and I love the drawer quality. Although it looks kind of small, it can take in a lot of stuff. The best thing about it is it's interchangeable. You can add any color that you want. Box is really sturdy. It can take in a lot of weight. I really love the quality of it. Although this box do not have wheels down there, it's very easy to move around in case of cleaning or something of that. It's not heavy, but it takes up a lot of space. I really love the colorful combination of it. Also available in different sizes, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4, even 5 boxes one. I'm gonna link the exact same that I got on the description tab below. Got this sleek little storage rack from Amazon. The best thing is it has wheels, so it can actually slide out. Once you slide it into the corner, it's very slim. It takes up very little space. Although it is so tall, breadth of it is very slim, so it's just gonna take one corner of it. It slides in the corner and it takes up a lot of stuff, more than you could imagine. The previous storage box and this comes in separate pieces. It's very easy to assemble by yourself. You can use this for storing your makeup, your soaps, your lotions and everything. This is best for even kitchen storage. They were selling it about for 1000 rupees or something, but I got it just for 649 rupees. Another useful thing that I found for my clothes, this is the door hanger that is made of metal. It's really sturdy and it can hang in a lot of clothes. So I actually hung it on my cupboard 3rd wardrobe door. So you can just hang it on the door on the center like the way it clamps out there, and it's going to be sturdy. It's not going to fall off. It can take in a lot of weight, and definitely it's not going to damage the wood of the cupboard as well. You can also hang it on the door, but my door wasn't closing after I hung it, so I preferred to do it here because it has to need a little bit of space in between, otherwise the door wouldn't close. And this is perfect, so I use this for hanging my clothes. I got this just for 299 rupees. It has 6 hooks and it can take in a lot of weight per hook, and I love it. One of the cute and quirky little storage from Amazon is this beautiful metal girl boss holder. I did not get this from Amazon, but Amazon carries the exact same one. I love it. It's made of high quality metal and the paint doesn't go at all. I love the color of it. It can take in every single stuff that you possibly have. I can actually fix it into the older storage rack that I showed you as well. So everything fits so neat and so nice. It's just gonna take very little space and you can store in a lot of stuff here. They also come in different colors. It's quite expensive for about 700-750, but the metal lasts long. If you want cheaper options, you can definitely go in for plastic ones. They are definitely cheap, but they don't look as cute or as quirky as this. Anyway, I'm gonna link all of these I showed in today's video on the description tab below, so you can check it out if you're interested, or if things are not available, similar ones I'll attach.
I want to come up with a home decor series. I don't know what to name the series as. Do give me some suggestions down below. These are the amazing storage options from Amazon. These are really cute, affordable and the best storage options from Amazon for every girl's room out there. So in case if you're interested, you can just click the link and shop from it. If a particular product is not available, I'll try to link the similar ones. Tune into my second channel as well. I'm really coming up with an amazing content for second channel. It's all about my lifestyle. If you want to constantly stay in touch with me apart from YouTube, follow me on Instagram at Aditi Iyer. My Instagram username is given here. Just follow me there. Do not forget to hit the bell icon while you're subscribing to my channel, so you can watch all my videos directly on your inbox with just one click, and it's absolutely free. I hope you found this video really useful. If yes, then do not forget to share it with every single girl out there and join me in my journey of making my room really cute and personal space that I'm going to live in. One of the circle is for this current channel and the other circle is for my second channel. Take a second to hit on those circles. You're going to get instantly subscribed to my channel for free. so that you can get all my videos directly onto your phone. Thank you so much for staying in on. Bye.